Can Minors Be Held Liable for Fraud? Leslie v. Sheill, 1914, explained. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating legal case, Leslie R. Letted v. Sheill, 1914, to explore an important question. Can a minor be held responsible for a contract if they lie about their age? What happens if a minor tricks someone into giving them money? Let's break it all down. This case reinforced the rule that a minor's contract is void ab initio, meaning invalid from the very beginning, even if they misrepresent their age. Let's take a closer look at what happened. Background of the case. Leslie R. Letted v. Sheill is a landmark judgment in contract law, especially regarding contracts involving minors. The ruling made it clear that minors cannot be legally bound by contracts, even if they deceive the other party about their age. Facts of the case. Parties involved: plaintiff Leslie R. Letted, a money lending firm; defendant Sheill, a minor who misrepresented his age. The agreement: Sheill, a minor, approached Leslie R. Letted to obtain a loan. However, he lied about his age, falsely claiming that he was over 18. Believing this misrepresentation, Leslie Letted granted him the loan. Legal dispute. Later, the company discovered that Sheill was actually a minor. Shocked by the deception, they took legal action, demanding that Sheill either return the money or compensate them for damages. Issues before the court. 1. Is a contract entered into by a minor valid if the minor misrepresents their age? 2. Can the minor be forced to return the money received under a void contract? 3. Can the lender claim damages for fraudulent misrepresentation? Judgment of the court. The King's Bench Division ruled in favor of Sheill, the minor, and dismissed Leslie Letted's claims. Let's break down their reasoning. 1. A minor's contract is void ab initio. The court reaffirmed that minors lack the legal capacity to contract. Even if they lie about their age, the contract remains invalid from the beginning. 2. No restitution for a void contract. The lender argued that since Sheill received money, he should at least return it. However, the court ruled that enforcing repayment would mean indirectly enforcing a void contract, which is not permitted under contract law. 3. No claim for fraudulent misrepresentation. The lender also argued that Sheill should be held liable for fraudulent misrepresentation under tort law. But the court rejected this argument, stating that it would contradict the fundamental rule that minors cannot be contractually bound. The verdict was clear. The minor was not liable. Significance of the case. 1. Strengthened protection for minors. This case reinforced the principle that minors are protected under contract law even if they act dishonestly by misrepresenting their age. 2. Prevents indirect enforcement of void contracts. If the lender had won, businesses could have bypassed the law by claiming compensation instead of enforcing the contract. The ruling closes this loophole. This one. 3. Limits on fraudulent misrepresentation claims. The case also made it clear that businesses cannot use tort law, such as fraud claims, to hold minors liable for void contracts. Comparison with Indian law. The ruling in Leslie R. Letted v. Sheill is similar to Indian contract law, the famous case of Mohori Bibee v. Dharmodas Ghose, 1903. Key similarities with Indian law: a contract with a minor is void ab initio. No claim for repayment or damages can be enforced against the minor. In India, just like in the UK, minors cannot be held responsible for a contract, even if they misrepresent their age. This ensures uniform protection across different legal systems. So, what's the key takeaway? If you're a minor, lying about your age won't make a contract valid. And if you're a business owner, be cautious about lending money to minors because the law won't be on your side. Did you find this case interesting? Hit that like button and subscribe for more legal insights. And let me know in the comments, should minors ever be held accountable for fraud in contracts?